Welcome back to our series on mastering QuickBooks Online. In our previous video, we talked about how you can get a free QuickBooks demo or test drive account for your practice. If you're still exploring this software and are not quite ready to commit, our tutorials are perfectly suited for learning using the free demo account. This option allows you to follow along and gain confidence without any initial investment. However, for those of you who are ready to dive in with a full subscription, this video will also guide you through the process of subscribing to QuickBooks Online. Whether you choose to practice with the demo or subscribe, you'll find valuable insights and detailed steps in this tutorial to help you manage your business finances effectively. First, I want to share a tip that benefits both you and this channel. Instead of going directly to the QuickBooks website, please use my custom link, softwareaccountant.com/QuickBooks. I will put this link in the video description for you. Just follow this link to subscribe. It helps support the channel and ensures you get access to the latest promotions and offers from QuickBooks, which might include discounts or free trials tailored to your region. Let's begin the setup process. Open your web browser and navigate to softwareaccountant.com/QuickBooks. You'll be redirected to the QuickBooks landing page. Here, you might see an offer banner, such as 70% or 50% off for the first 3 months. Keep in mind that these promotions can vary based on when you're watching this video and your location. Scroll down until you see the options, Buy Now and Save, and Start Free Trial. If a free trial is available in your region, I recommend starting with that to explore the software without any financial commitment. If the free trial isn't available, then go ahead and click on Buy Now and Save. QuickBooks Online offers several plans, each designed to cater to different business needs. The Simple Start plan is ideal if you're a freelancer or a sole proprietor interested in managing basic income and expenses. The Essentials plan offers additional features like bill management and multi-user access, which are great if your business is growing. The Plus plan includes even more features like inventory tracking and project management, which are beneficial for small to mid-sized businesses. Finally, the Advanced plan is best suited for larger businesses that require detailed reports and advanced customizations. For most businesses, the Plus plan is a solid choice due to its comprehensive features that balance functionality and usability. Now, after you've decided which plan to go for, simply click Start Free Trial or Buy Now under the plan, depending on what's available. Now, let's set up your account. You'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and provide a phone number for account verification purposes. If you already have an Intuit account, maybe from using TurboTax or other Intuit products, you can log in with the same credentials. If not, you'll need to follow the prompts to create a new account. QuickBooks will send you a verification code to your email or phone, so make sure you have access to whichever method you choose for a smooth verification process. After registering, QuickBooks will walk you through the initial setup process. This is where you'll tailor the account to fit your business. You'll enter your business name, choose your industry, and specify your business location. QuickBooks also asks for the start date of your fiscal year and your preferred accounting method. If you're not sure about any of these settings, don't worry. They are not set in stone and can be adjusted later as needed. Once the setup is complete, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where all your business finance management will happen, from tracking income and expenses to handling taxes and generating reports. It might look overwhelming at first, but I'll be here to guide you through each section to ensure you feel comfortable and confident using it. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your QuickBooks Online account. In our next videos, we'll delve into customizing your setup further and exploring all the tools that QuickBooks provides to help manage your business finances more efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. See you in the next video.